How you all doing? I hope y'all are doing great on today. Thank y'all so much for watching another one of my videos. I wanted to show you guys this wig I was sent from Nadulahair. Big thank you to Nadulahair for sending me out this wig. I appreciate y'all so much. But yeah, they sent me a wig. This is the goodies I got in the box. I'm doing an unboxing for you guys. As you can see, they sent me this cute tote bag. That tote bag was really cute. I liked it so much. Some wig caps, a satin scarf, another little satin scarf, some lashes. I got some clips. I got I think more wig caps, and yeah, they sent me a lot of goodies. I always appreciate the goodies. But this is the wig. This is their 13x4 invisible HD lace body wave wig. Okay, I got mine's in a 24-inch, and I believe the density is 180%. As you can see, this is what the lace looks like on my arm. So the lace is pretty thin, and it does melt very nicely, so you do get a nice invisible melt down when you put your wig on. This is the inside of the cap. Again, it is a lace front, so you get more parting space in the middle than you do the sides. On the sides, I would say it was about a inch and a half worth of parting space. So I styled mine in pretty much like a flip over method, because when it comes to the lace front wigs, I hate how limited the parting space is. So so it doesn't look wiggy when I'm parting it. I just prefer or opt to do like a flip over type look. As you can see, without me even putting the spray on, it melted really nicely. And the fit of the wig, y'all, it fits so good. I usually get a medium cap. I'm a 22-inch, and the fit of the wig was really good. So yeah, I'm installing my wig using the Eben hairspray, and yeah, y'all know how I install my wig. So I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video.
She had a gap tooth